लग गया? So, okay, I think we should make the announcement now.
इतनी जल्दी?
इतनी जल्दी?
लोगों को तो आने दो.
अच्छा. Hi guys, कौन और आ रहा है? अपने कोई बाकी बचा है guys? सब आ गए?
ऐसा?
हाँ ऐसे पूछेंगे ना लोग से.
हाँ.
Everyone's here? Everyone's here? Good.
here.
Okay. No, they're saying some people are missing.
Oh, okay.
BTS Army forever. Big love and hug from Indonesia. Love you, Indonesia. Love, love, love.
How are you? We are doing good, thank you.
Okay, you have to randomly pick one question and answer it. Guys,
There is no question there. Just
guys,
idiots.
I'm just listening. We'll start our announcement that we want to make.
What's the announcement that we are making? I thought we were just going live. No, that's kind of mean.
It's kind of mean,
Yeah.
but it's kind of funny too.
No, it's not.
It's kind of really good fun.
No.
But then they'll think that we're sad because of it. That's not true.
Do you know that?
No, I don't know that.
Yeah.
Guys, we have a small secret from you guys. एक छोटा सा सीक्रेट है जो हम लोग एग्जैक्टली
हाँ, नहीं,
5
अभी
मिनट
मत
में.
बताओ, मत बताओ.
अच्छा, वो नहीं बताओ.
Smile. Hi.
You take the lead. You take the lead in this one.
Hi.
Hello everyone.
everybody.
Hi guys. Hi.
हम लोग आपको कुछ बताने आए थे बट फिर हमें लगा कि पता नहीं बताए कि नहीं बताए. हम लोग फिर दो माइंड में हो गए तो अभी हम फिर से डिस्कस करेंगे और फिर सोचेंगे कि बताए कि नहीं बताए. बता दें क्या या आप लोग गेस करो.
Anyone can
क्या-
guess. I think that is
क्या
better.
बताएं?
हाँ, that's more fun. Guys, हम लोग आए थे एक announcement करने. But can you all guess वो
कि हम
announcement
क्या
क्या है?
announcement कर रहे
Yeah,
होंगे?
please.
It is something to do with obviously us.
Yeah. And one more clue. Us as in show. It has something to do with our show.
Yep.
Any guesses? Whoever.
Now
You know
you
what?
have given like
You know
you
what
have
we do?
spoon fed them.
No.
Of course
You
they
think so?
know.
They'll know. But you know what we do? You know what? If they guess it and they guess it correctly, we take that one person on and we like chat with them live. Does that work?
But how? What if multiple people do? अगर बहुत
First
सारे
one.
लोगों ने
हम लोग ने
same-
जो
same
first
guess-
वाला हाँ, me and you'll be the judge. Whoever we catch first, will chat with us for like a minute or two,
Okay.
right? If they'd like to personally chat with us. If you don't, if you're like have better things to do, the second person will come on. That's okay.
Whoever wants to will. Yeah, that's
Okay, you are becoming parents. No, that's not true. But good. Oh, so somebody said something. Anindita Bubai. Okay, guys, Anindita _ Bubai has started the competition very well. Yes, it's time slot
Wedding
news.
of Manbekar. Let's see the guesses now. Change slot news. You have to be very precise because you have to be like super precise. If you're guessing if our date is changing, then you have to just give a date. If you think that our time is changing, then you have to guess the time. If you think that we're getting married, then you have to say that. If you think that Vikrant is gonna kill somebody, then you have to tell that. So you have to be very precise, ekdam particular, so that's a competition.
Somebody
And
says-
yeah. No, it can't be like partly right, partly wrong. Okay, it's
But-
partly wrong. It's
No,
partly wrong.
How? That's correct.
No, we don't have that.
What do you mean?
There is no 44 anymore.
But I don't think that's what they mean. No.
Oh, so see, again, it's wrong. 50-50.
No, I think they're kind of right. Okay, the judges are arguing right now.
Oh, one ऊपर गया एकदम कर point पे था ना बंदा. कहाँ गई बंदा कौन? कहाँ गया? I saw that.
उधर ही रख दो.
You know,
We're the
haven't
worst
had
judges.
coffee yet.
I think we're the worst judges, guys. We might end up being like the worst judges.
Yeah,
right
इसलिए
now.
ये चीज़ है.
हाँ, okay, but ये तो किसी ऊपर ने भी बोला ना.
But with this, no, it is like 50-50.
नहीं, okay, because can we ask the person to
Okay.
answer the question and clarify?
Okay.
Hi.
Katha 2 आ रहा है. I
No.
love the. I want to see them guessing. It's kind of nice. See,
See, look.
there is
No, but
But who said it?
Online.
It's not. But it. Huh?
online.
What?
Yeah,
What?
online they got news.
Huh?
The judges
It's
are.
a self-manufactured news.
Okay, but
It's a self.
she
Like it's a
wouldn't know,
gossip.
right?
It's a gossip. There are no points for gossip.
See, okay, now ये तो अभी आया, but ये officially देखा जाए तो this one, ये I just saw her comment here somewhere. Okay, this one, okay.
But it's half right, half wrong. Guys, you have to quit on this half thought of that there is some, you know, we were never considered to be going anywhere. So,
The judges are having a problem. We don't know what to do now.
actually,
You know what we do?
You do know what to do.
No, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll
We
tell you what
do
I'll do.
what he does, okay?
Okay. I'm doing it. I'm choosing.
Okay, you
I'm choosing. You know what I'm doing?
Yep,
You know what I'm doing?
choose
Because
about.
I saw this one's comment.
Okay.
Guys, I'd like to apologize if somebody else said it first, but this person said it first, according to me.
Yeah.
And
And he's very honest and very just and very fair and very
I'll try.
very everything. So
Arre,
we
because
have
no.
our winner. And
No,
Mr.
you know what?
Khan is looking for the winner and tapping on the
How do I-
tapping
I'll
on
go-
the
I'll go.
screen. Addresses us and
Hi, Lubna.
participates.
I'm good. तो क्या हुआ अभी और क्या है?
आपने रिक्वेस्ट भेजी है उन्होंने एक्सेप्ट करी नहीं करी हमें कैसे पता चलेगा हम दोनों
You know what to talk. Hi, hey_ya, HAY_ya was the first person who said it. So we have sent a request to hey_ya, but somebody's come on.
Hey, and so yeah, it's
Hi.
point, and that's a student, and this student
Is studying.
computer science. Are you
Specified
studying
the-
computer science?
Hi. Oh, so cute.
so cute.
Hi, hey_ya. यार आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी. Can you guys hear us? Can they hear us?
Is your phone का volume पूरा?
हेलो hey_ya, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही यार. आपने म्यूट पे रखा हुआ है.
पटर पटर हो रही है पर वो बात नहीं कर पा रही क्योंकि वो पढ़ाई कर रही है पर
We are disturbing people while they're studying. That's not good यार. नहीं आप पढ़ाई करो.
बट ठीक है ना अभी यूनिट टेस्ट खत्म हो गए सब जगह
हाँ. Yes. Oh, yeah, we are doing sign language. Okay. ठीक है. Can you help us out? We think we were arguing whether you said it right. Yes, our announcement उसके बारे में ही था. But you said
आपने बोला कि
extension
extension
and 7:30.
हाँ so हमारा डिबेट एक्चुअली ये चल रहा था कि इट इज हाफ करेक्ट क्योंकि देयर इज नो डिबेट ऑफ एक्सटेंशन और नॉट एग्जिस्टिंग देयर कि फिर एक्सटेंशन बने वी ऑलवेज बीन हियर एंड
तो मुझे क्या लगता है? Can you answer this question for us? You can write it down if you want. Don't want to speak. Why did you say extension? Because we'll help the person. ना बेचारा पढ़ाई कर रहे mom dad आ जाएंगे. Why did you say extension? What was your reason? Because as we said, हम लोग का show तो वैसे कहीं जा नहीं रहा था. Alhamdulillah. Yeah. You think so? Like, this was the stupidest competition I've ever seen. Like the judges don't know how to judge. Judges are like, yeah.
You would be like आपको ऐसा क्यों लगा
क्या बताइए आपकी feelings क्या है?
आपकी फीलिंग्स क्या है आपको आपके जहन में सवाल कैसे है बेचारा बोल भी नहीं पा रहे
First of all, I think it's a.
Oh, Deepika is like, oh, it's going to be 7:30 class. Woo,
Yeah.
woo, woo, woo.
Yeah, so that's the
that's
thing.
the fun. Yeah.
हे या आप जवाब देंगे या हाय? नो,
Heya is
बाइट के लिए आपको बुला रहे हैं।
हाँ ठीक है।
हाँ आ रहे हैं हम लोग, बट ए है या इट वाज रियली नाइस स्पीकिंग टू यू। आप शायद नहीं बात करना चाह रहे हो।
पढ़ाई अच्छा, चलो अच्छी बात है, पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, ऑल द बेस्ट। और देखिए ताकि आप लेट नाइट ना जगे और स्कूल के लिए अगले दिन लेट ना हो, इसलिए हम अब 10 बजे से पहले ही आ जाएंगे, टेलीकास्ट हो जाएंगे, आपको आके एंटरटेन।
Beautiful. Beautiful. I love it. I love how she's taking it. No, guys, appreciate good stuff happening right now. Amazing. Amazing. I love it.
इसलिए हमारा जो बिग अनाउंसमेंट है वो है गो ऑन
कि हम लोग होने वाले हैं मंडे टू संडे 7:30 बजे ऑन कलर्स।
यस, डू वॉच अस, नॉट ऑन 10,
हाँ,
not at 10 but at
7:30।
7.
मेक श्योर आप लोग सब अपने सारे दोस्तों को कह देना, फैमिली मेंबर्स को, जो भी देखता है हमारा शो।
हाँ, और जैसे वो कोविड के टाइम पे वो थाली नहीं पीती थी, तो वैसे कॉलोनी के एंड में जाना, थाली पीटना, टन 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 टन, और बोलना मन्नत 7:30 बजे, मन्नत 7:30 बजे, मंडे टू संडे, मन्नत 7:30 बजे।
Yeah, that's right. इंशाल्लाह उम्मीद है कोई लोग आप पे कुछ फेंकेंगे नहीं। होपफुली दे बी काइंड टू यू, बट या प्लीज डू टेल एवरीबॉडी एंड प्लीज डू वॉच आवर शो यार। Alright,
Yeah,
guys.
please do watch us. We love you all and we are excited for the new timing जो नया समय हमें मिला है। हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि नई जनता जुड़ेगी और पुरानी जनता भी उस टाइम पर आएगी, देखेगी।
सपोर्ट करना यार guys, ऐसे मत करना यार। Come on guys, you guys are like our family and everything. Yeah man, see you guys later. I think अभी इनको बुला रहे बार बार। हमारा EP भी आ गया, आपको दिखा देते लाइव में ना। एक 1500 ये दिखे, वो हमारे EP है। या
क्या चाहिए
लाइफ में आप चाहिए फिलहाल तो
सबको मन्नत चाहिए, सबको मन्नत चाहिए। गर्मा गर्म मन्नत मिल रहा है, गर्मा गर्म मन्नत। हाँ 7:30 बजे आएगा, जल्दी आएगा। किसको गर्मा गर्म? Sorry, that sounded wrong. Do not that joke. See you guys. Bye. Love you guys. Bye. Hi _ya. Thank you for winning our competition. Fertility, CBRE. क्या पढ़ रहे हो? Biology पढ़ रहे हो? हाँ. See, birth rate. What birth rate?
CBR.
Measurement of fertility. Fertility is measured by a variety of indicators. What is that? Pre-root birth rate. CBR. Crude birth rate. Crude birth rate. Oh, okay. Okay.
Reproductive, I guess, system पढ़ रही हूँ।
All right. All right.
Looks
Thank
like
you.
biology. All the best if you have your exams and tests.
Oh, so
Oh,
sweet. Love you. Bye bye. Take care.
अच्छा एक मिनट,
Oh, oh.
अगर आपकी मॉम डैड आपके बाजू में बैठकर आपके इसलिए आप बच रहे हो तो आप साइन कर सकते हो, और अगर आप किडनैप्ड हो तो आप हेल्प कर साइन करो। किडनैप होके पड़ता हुआ मैं, but okay.
Love you. Bye bye. Bye. Oh. Bye.